So yeah, this is the M3 prop rebuild that I've been doing on the M3. Yeah, it's a lovely photo of a prop there, not very exciting. Question is, how the hell has it taken me so long? Well, first of all, I wasn't expecting these exhaust gaskets to be as bodged as I thought, but I managed to prise them off with a bit of brute force, and I've got a nice new one to go on. The exhaust clamps are also pretty knackered, so they're going to be changed, and because somebody had welded the clamps onto the exhaust, I've also ground them off, and they'll be all good, as you can see, as I've done there. The centre bearing was not as bad as I thought, but it still had a bit of play, and it's still a bit noisy, as you can hear. And so I set about removing the old carrier and centre bearing to do it, but here the prop now. Here the prop. Yeah, it's a bit more play than I bargained for, but yeah, I heard that, and some people, yeah, just repack it. Now, it'd be interesting to hear what you would have done in my situation, but I threw caution to the wind and I thought, just replace it. It's not worth it. It's not a pleasant job to do. Just change it and be done with it. The Guibo, as you can see, wasn't as bad as I thought, but since I had a new one, I may as well change it. The old one had a bit of cracking in it, and the sleeves were getting a bit rusty around the outside, but I thought, I'm there, just change it. It's not really worth you messing around with it anymore. And that is it for now. Yeah, well, hopefully the car will come back together at some point, but we shall wait and see.